Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete or uninstall Rave app from Android. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. First thing you need to do is open up the mobile settings. Once you do open it up, scroll down and find apps. Tap on it and another submenu of apps should appear. Tap on manage apps, and in the manage apps either look in the list or just click and search for Rave, because that's actually a pretty quick process than looking in all of the other apps. Now tap on Rave. Once you tap on Rave, this interface will appear. Scroll down and at the bottom menu you can find is uninstall. Tap on it and click on continue. Once you do click on continue, Rave app will be uninstalled from your device. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.